Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Steam mature content settings so you can control exactly what type of content appears in your store and community feeds. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile name displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Store Preferences. This is where Steam keeps all your personalized settings for what content you want to see while browsing. Once the Store Preferences page loads, you'll immediately see several mature content options laid out for you. These include general mature content, violence or gore, nudity or sexual content, frequent violence or sexual content, and adult-only sexual content. Each of these categories represents different levels and types of mature content that Steam can filter for you. This system is designed to give you granular control over your browsing experience, ensuring you only see content that aligns with your preferences. Now, right beside each of these content categories, you'll notice two tabs labeled Store and Community. These tabs allow you to apply your preferences separately for different parts of Steam. The Store tab controls what you see when browsing games and content in the Steam store, while the Community tab manages what appears in community hubs, reviews, and user-generated content. This separation is particularly useful if you want different filtering levels for shopping versus interacting with the Steam community. If you're curious about what each content category actually includes, Steam provides a helpful feature. Below each option, you'll find a link that says View Example Products. Clicking this will show you specific games and content that fall under that particular category. This is incredibly useful if you're unsure about what violence or gore versus frequent violence or sexual content actually means in practice. Take a moment to explore these examples if you need clarity before making your selections. Once you've reviewed the categories and understand what each one entails, simply check the boxes next to the content types you want to see on Steam. By checking a box, you're telling Steam that you're comfortable seeing that type of content in your store recommendations and community feeds. If you leave a box unchecked, Steam will automatically filter out that content category from your experience. Your changes should save automatically, giving you immediate control over your content preferences. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Steam mature content settings to match your personal preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.